Hi guys, it's Matt from Magformers UK. We're doing an unboxing today, which is super cool and super exciting. I love doing this. We're going to unbox the Basic 30, which is one of my all-time favourite sets. So you can find this, of course, in your local Smiths. Just go to the construction aisle. We're there. And I'm going to show you some of the cool stuff you can do with this. So we're gonna open this up and see what we've got inside. So when we open it up, what have we got in here? So we've got our pieces. We got an instruction booklet, and then we got the little box that I'm going to plonk there. Okay. So inside of here we have 18 squares, and these are all in the nice two-tone rainbow colours. And we have 12 equilateral triangles. There we are. Now, those of you who are perhaps thinking of starting out with Magformers, if you don't have any Magformers, or even if you're just like looking for something to keep people entertained in a restaurant or on a car journey or on a plane journey, anything like that, this is a super duper cool set because it takes up a very small footprint. So let's have a look. What do we have here? Oh, we got a little leaflet in here about how to keep your magnets nice and clean and how to care for them, all that sort of stuff. Useful info. And then we have our instructions, and in here shows you some of the other sets you guys can possibly get. And our instructions are set out super easy. I mean, it's a cross between, if you think about it, it's like a cross between building proper geometric shapes and fun, weird things. I mean, we could build an octahedron, a cube octahedron, or a fish, or a rocket, or oh, look at this one. I don't even know how to say that. That is a rhombicube octahedron. We're going to give that one a go. So, there's my instructions there. I'm going to make this pattern. This is what I have to do. Right. So, oh, they feel nice. Yeah, they do. Fresh, out of the box. Magformers. These are lovely. Yes, and then I've got one there and one there. And then I'll add in some of these triangles. Oh, look at that. Yeah, and I've even got some spare triangles left over. So, now, by looking at the instructions, I can see it's kind of lifting up to create this ball thing. So, lifting up from the middle, 1, 2, 3. That's almost there, wasn't it? That was super close. Super close. There. So there we are. Rhombicube octahedron. Oh, I've had an idea, just for fun. If I peel that lid off, and I could transform my little ball into, I'll use some of these triangles, maybe make a little pyramid thing on top. Oh yes, I like the look of that. Maybe one of those. I made a little house. So there we are. That is some of the cool things I think you could do with a Basic 30. I'll do one more. I'll do one more, just for fun. What should I do? Oh yes, I know. I'm going to build a rocket. 2, 3. Now, as I said, the instructions, you've got dozens of different models you can make in here. But do you know what? I think this is one of those sorts of toys, even if you didn't have the instructions, it lends itself to just free building, free play, mucking about with the shapes, trying to figure out what you're building. Oh yes. Now if I just plonk like a little lid on top of there, I reckon I will have myself a Magformers rocket. Not too shabby, not too shabby. So there we are. Magformers Basic 30 unboxed. Awesome fun, super cool. Available in your local Smiths. As always, happy building and good luck.